Hello beautiful souls, I am Hetal Sutaria and for today's video I will show you the negativity removal ritual. For this ritual we need negative removal salt, camphor or bhimsen kapoor and 4 clear glass bowls. Firstly, add 1 spoon of negative removal salt in each of the 4 clear glass bowls. Then add 1 piece of camphor on the top of each bowl. For example, this is your house. Put each bowl on the 4 corners of your house like this. On every Saturday, take 1 empty bowl and empty all the salt-filled bowls in it. Then leave the salt up. You can also use this in the bedroom if a couple or children are facing problem by putting 2 salt-filled bowls on the each side of the bed and on Saturday light the salt up. This is way you can remove negativity and positivity in their lives. You can do this simple ritual to remove negativity from your house, office, factories or any other premises. Thank you for watching. Do give your feedback in the comments and subscribe for my more videos.